The symbol of strength and good luck. And just look at the
Alright, we have Captain
moves.
Sharma come all the way from New Delhi. Thank you, thank you. He's bringing Goa with him also. Where is our Sanjeev Ahuja ji? Is right over here. Thank you, Sanjeev ji. Say hello to everybody coming all the way from Goa.
Hello, welcome to Goa. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind!
Thank you. Goa's here, Mumbai is here, the whole Bharat is here, Bollywood is here. Thank you.
Now you can hear the gongs of Falun Dafa. You know that they are exercising or everything.
Alright,
suitable
we have
for
Ashish
all
Khurana
ages.
and Ritu Khurana. That's okay, Ritu ji. That's okay.
The performing teams of Falun Dafa consist of younger practitioners and they are performing the race. They are performing various things and they have been doing a lot to keep you healthy and happy. They do meditation as well.
Alright.
So yes, Falun Dafa here. As you can see, the next one is definitely the world.
Alright, no more seats here, so thank you.
Truthfulness, compassion, and
Calm it down.
forbearance. Yes, that is so true in today's world. We all need all of these things. And right here.
Win Kruti Venti and Rube. Yeah, come on in. So we have Win Kruti Venti all the way. Here we go. And Joe Rube, thank you for joining us. You can go over there. We have some seats in the back over there. Thank you. Just keep moving back. We are limited seats today, so we're gonna have to ramp up a little bit. Thank you.
This is the second group from Falun Dafa, and as you can see that they are known as Falun Gong as well. This is an ancient Chinese meditation practice for improvement of mind and body. There are 5 sets of slow-moving exercises, including a sitting meditation, and practitioners live by the principle of truthfulness, compassion, and forbearance. Here it is, Falun Dafa, second group. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the beat? Of course, it is nothing else than the Fremont bagpipes. You know about this amazing instrument and you know that this is the sound of power, tradition and pure emotion. Lajab,
Alright,
right?
we have Raj Chahalji over here. Come all the way from Santa Clara City Council. One of our own. Thank you. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, happy Independence Day. Enjoy the morning and have fun.
Thank you. Joshi Sahab, are you here? Raj Joshi.
All right, and this
Come on,
is
if you can bring that
the Irvington Athletics.
proclamation.
They are the Irvington Athletics
All
for
right.
all the judges as well. This is a group of energetic and mesmerizing cheerleaders performance and it's a sight to behold. This is a part
Hello,
of
Irvington
FUSD.
team.
Irvington Athletics is a strong local team supporting athletic program.
So this is Fremont Unified School District at its best. So welcome to the Irvington cheer team here.
All right, thank you, Vivek. We are so proud of you. Vikings, go Vikings! Fremont Unified School District, where the Hindi has also become an optional language. We are so proud to have Hindi as an optional language right here in the Unified School District. Thank you, Vivek Prasad, Renu Nair, and everybody out there. Thank you.
That's such a wonderful cheerleading. We definitely need to cheer for them and for the Indian Independence Day Parade. We are so lucky to have all the kids.
Hi everyone, my name is Yang Xiao and we're here to celebrate this wonderful event and I wish you good time.
Thank you for coming. So nice of you. We are so proud over here to have a very all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody, all the energetic kids from Irvington School District, and we are so proud of all next coming is folk music. You know, folk has been promoting Indian culture and heritage in this country for very, very long time. They just had Folk Idol, and such a wonderful place to have showcase the talents. And right now we have folk music come over together. Thank you so much, all the Folk Idol winners. We really were mesmerized by your power, your singing, and yes, it's a
All right,
great
say hello to everybody.
Good morning, Fremont. This is City Council member Yajin Zhen, and we are celebrating diversity and our rich culture. And congratulations to the Indian Independence Day. Thank you, Dr. Jabra, for organizing such a great event.
Thank you for coming, be part of our parade. We are so appreciative. Thank you, Angela. All right, what a beautiful song. The greatest singer over here in Iberia, Angela Baruda.
We have American held band over here. AHS band is our own Fremont-based band from American High School. AHS band provides an exciting avenue for students to learn. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is AHS. So the AHS band continues. Oh my God, how coordinated are they? This is amazing. You know, that's what we really like about FUSD. Thank you so much. All the time, we are so proud of our Fremont Unified School District. Vivek, thank you so much. You just bring the best in FUSD, and here we are so proud to have our own bands and our own kids performing on Indian Independence Day Parade.
And thank you for giving them the opportunity, but FUSD being the best school district around,
It is.
we have such a wide range of talent at the school.
They really have wide range of talent, and
Thank you again, Honorable Vivek Prasad. Thank you. No, parade is coming.
The next one is coming slow, but they're very steady, and you will be amazed to see what amazing decorations they have done for the Folk India Day Parade. And as you know that देशभक्ति हमारे दिल में है, देशभक्ति हमारे में है, because हम इतना ज़्यादा दूर रहते हैं from India, but still we carry India in our heart. इसीलिए हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हमारे भारत माता की जय तो सब जगह पे होना चाहिए. तो चलिए एक बार साथ मिलकर कहते हैं.